Hey everyone, welcome back to Mad for Cars. Before we get into today's absolutely insane machine, do me one favor. If you're obsessed with high-performance beasts, supercar soundtracks, and pure automotive madness, make sure you subscribe to V8 Dreams right now. That's where the real action lives. And trust me, what's coming there will leave you speechless. Now let's talk about something that doesn't just break necks, it melts minds. The one, the only, Lamborghini Aventador. This isn't just a car. It's a rolling thunderstorm, a spaceship with wheels, and probably one of the most iconic V12 supercars of our generation. But the question is, in 2025, does the Aventador still hold its crown? Or is it just a loud poster car from the past? The moment you lay eyes on it, you know this isn't your average supercar. The exterior design is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Angular lines, razor-sharp cuts, and that aggressive stance that screams, "Don't mess with me." The scissor doors? Pure drama. Every vent, every crease on this car has a purpose. From the signature Y-shaped LED headlamps to the rear with those massive quad exhausts and active aero wing, the Aventador looks like it's doing 200 even when parked. The carbon fiber touches, the massive air intakes, it's all part of the language Lamborghini speaks fluently. Intimidation with style. Step inside, and it's like entering a cockpit. The interior is raw, focused, and unapologetically Italian. You're surrounded by Alcantara, carbon fiber, and a digital driver display that looks like it was ripped out of a fighter jet. The center console with its fighter jet-style flip switch for ignition, the toggle controls, and that iconic red start button. It's all designed to make your pulse race before you've even hit the throttle. The seats are low, snug, and hug you in a way that reminds you this car is meant to be driven, not lounged in. But the real magic happens when you press that red button. The performance is nothing short of explosive. Under that sculpted rear deck sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine. No turbos, no hybrids, just raw, mechanical fury. You get 769 horsepower in the Aventador Ultime variant, shooting you from 0 to 100 in under 2.8 seconds. The sound it makes is brutal, a symphony of rage that echoes through tunnels and rattles your spine. The 7-speed single-clutch ISR gearbox might not be as smooth as dual-clutch systems, but what it gives you in return is drama, aggressive shifts that punch with every gear change. The Aventador isn't just about straight-line speed, though. Thanks to the all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and adaptive suspension, it sticks to corners like it's on rails. Yes, it's wide and intimidating on narrow roads, but get it on the open track or winding mountain passes, and this bull dances. It's not the easiest supercar to tame, but that's the beauty of it. It demands respect, and when you give it that, it rewards you with an experience few cars can match. Now let's talk about price. In India, the last-gen Aventador Ultime, the final form, sits around 9 Indian rupees crore on road, give or take depending on options and import duties. Yes, it's wildly expensive, but this is the last of a dying breed. No turbochargers, no electrification, just a pure-blooded V12 Lamborghini, the kind we may never see again in this form. So for collectors and purists, it's worth every insane penny. So the final verdict, is the Lamborghini Aventador still relevant in a world full of electric hypercars and hybrid tech? Absolutely. It's not about being the most efficient or the smartest. It's about emotion, presence, and the kind of thrill you just can't replicate. It's loud, it's wild, it's imperfect, and that's exactly why it's legendary. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to V8 Dreams, where we go even deeper into the world of high-performance monsters like this. Drop a comment. Would you take the Aventador, or is your heart set on something even crazier? I'll see you in the next one. Stay mad for cars.